Everyone wants to make money on YouTube, but very few creators actually build sustainable YouTube business. The truth is, relying on AdSense alone is a recipe for failure. In this video, I will show you step-by-step strategy to turn your channel into a long-term profitable business that survives algorithm changes and keeps on making money. Number one is a mindset shift. YouTube is a business. Most creators treat YouTube as a side hustle or a hobby, and that's why they struggle. If you want to build long-term success on YouTube, you have to think like a business owner, not just like a content creator. Your branding matters a lot. The name of your YouTube channel, the niche that you've chosen, your audience should be able to align with a clear mission. The long-term vision for your business is supposed to be very clear. What is it that you need to achieve in the first year, second year, third year, and even the fifth year? You need to have a very clear vision for your business. Your YouTube business, that's what you're talking about. Treat it like a business. Set goals, track your earnings, and reinvest your profits. Just like any business, don't treat this like anything else that you can just do whichever you want. Two is choosing a niche that pays. Now that we have focused our mindset that we are business owners, not just content creators, you need to know that not all niches on YouTube are profitable. If you want to build sustainable business on YouTube, you have to pick the niche that has high CPM rate and RPM rate. Things like finance, tech, education, and real estate. Those are niches that are profitable, that are paying high amount of money than any other niches on YouTube. Evergreen content that stays relevant over time. Don't just rely on viral trends, videos that are going to go viral for 1 day, 2 days, and then they flop. Choose content that is going to remain relevant over a long period of time. Number three is monetization options. You have to use different monetization options. Besides AdSense, you need to speak to brands, be paid by brands to promote their products. Yeah, you can also sell online courses. You can do many things on YouTube to earn money. Avoid niches that go viral and then go flat. Three is diversifying your income streams. AdSense is just the beginning. To future-proof your YouTube business, you need to build multiple streams of income. Number one, affiliate marketing. Promote products and services on your channel and earn a commission. Number two, sponsorship. Get paid by brands to showcase their products on your channel. Number three is digital products. Create courses, ebooks, and templates and make money from those courses. Promote them on your channel. Whenever you're doing your videos, make sure that you're promoting these products that you've created, and whenever you make a sale, you're going to earn money from it. Number four is merchandise. You can create branded clothing, accessories, and sell them on your channel and make money from them. Number four is YouTube membership and super chat. Whenever you go online, your audience can be able to support you. It's very important to have a loyal audience that support your channel. So you need to be very engaging with your audience so that you create value so that they can really see the need to support your channel. That's very important because they can really support your channel, the growth of your channel, and many creators on this YouTube space are relying on the super thanks and the membership from their channel. Four is mastering audience engagement and retention. A loyal audience is the backbone of any sustainable YouTube business. Here is how to build one. Number one, make sure you're solving a problem. People are on YouTube to get value, to be entertained, to be educated, and to be inspired. Make sure you're providing any of those. Number two is engagement on the comment section. Make sure you're responding to your audience concerns on the comment section. At least talk to them, don't ignore them. And hone your audience. transfer your audience beyond the YouTube space. Don't just rely on the YouTube space to avoid the algorithm risk. So build an email list, or maybe you tell your audience to follow you on Instagram, Facebook, so that at least beyond this YouTube space you can still have your audience and they can still support your business. All right, so that is very important. If it's a business, make sure that you own your customers. They are your customers in another way. A smart content strategy for longevity. If you want to survive on this YouTube space, you have to be very smart. You don't need to work hard. You need to be very smart. You need to create a system that works for a long period of time. You need to be able to record your videos. There's something I call champion video strategy. You record 3 videos that are related so that YouTube can be able to see your video as a series. And again, you need to be able to understand the SEOs. Make sure that you're at least researching on your titles, your tags, and the description. Very important to be able to at least differentiate yourself from the crowd, because the YouTube space is very crowded nowadays. So you need to at least be able to balance between the evergreen content and the trending videos. Those are things that are going to make your content to be unique and engaging. All right, so make sure that you're being smart other than working hard. That is very important on your YouTube career. For you to build a sustainable YouTube business, it's not about luck. It's about strategy. It's about consistency and smart monetization. So we have talked about choosing profitable niches, number 1. Number 2 is diversifying your income streams. Don't rely on ads alone. Number 3 is building a loyal audience. A loyal audience will make you survive whenever the algorithm is not in your favor. And number 4 is creating long-term video strategy. I call it champion video strategy. A series of videos that are related so that YouTube can be able to recommend your videos, like they can see it as let's say, for instance, if people love watching your videos in that series, it becomes very easier for the algorithm to be able to favor your videos. All right, so if you enjoyed my video, thank you so much. Click the like button, number 1. Number 2, comment below, let me know what you think about my videos, and if this kind of videos is your cup of tea, watch my next video on how to hack YouTube growth. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.